दरअसल हाल ही में हुआ फिल्म परमाणु का ट्रेलर लॉन्च। यहाँ पर फिल्म के सितारे नजर आए। आइए इस ट्रेलर मौके पर सितारों ने क्या कहा आपको रूबरू करवाते हैं।
आपसे सवाल है कि फिल्म को क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है तो पाकिस्तान में रिलीज को लेके क्या
I
प्लानिंग
think
है?
so very clearly
I
this
think
is
300 स्क्रीन से हम लोग आ रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में.
yeah. To answer your question, you're right. This is not an anti-Pakistan film. It's a pro-India film. So we're very clear. Okay, this is a film about India, and we're very proud of this moment, and we want to celebrate this. अगर हम लोग हर जगह पे देख के we start thinking about other markets, we'll be compromising on our film. We want to tell the story as it is, and we don't want to deviate from that.
जॉन, एक सवाल और है कि जैसा अभिषेक बार बार बता रहे हैं कि 20 साल से सब्जेक्ट पे किसी का ध्यान नहीं गया, तो आपको लगता है बॉलीवुड इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स को लेके थोड़ी एस्केपिस्ट होती है और इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट नहीं लेके बनाती है फिल्में? आपको लगता है?
I think you must मतलब मैनेजमेंट में एक कहावत है, the higher the risk, the greater the profits. So if you do not take a risk and you do not decide you want to do something different, आप वही बनाओगे. Then this will hurt because I'm continuously dancing. Like, you know what? After a point, it hurts. You know, and so you have to move on from there. So instead of jogging the pelvic muscles, you have to jog your brains also. So I think it's important to make different films, and I'm getting the opportunity to make those films because I am a producer also now. So I've the authority to say yes, मुझे ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है, and I've got a fantastic team with me that sits with me and says, okay, can we make this? For example, हम लोग ने decide किया internally, we say we cannot make an adult comedy क्योंकि वो हमारे बस की बात नहीं है. We cannot do it. We're not well equipped to do it. Can we make a story like Parmanu? Yes. Can we make a story like Madras Cafe? Yes. Vicky Donor? Yes. Even, for example, a Force is something we can do. But we cannot do things that are not within our grain. So,
सर मेरा एक सवाल है अभिषेक सर से.
इस फिल्म को बनाते समय बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस थे, पर आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज मैं बोलूँगा फैक्ट और फिक्शन, जो अभी हमने बात करी. when you're taking a story, and maybe now if I think about it, maybe that's the reason that nobody attempted on this subject. I'm not saying that I mean I was great to attempt it, but I'm saying it is a risky subject, like all of us know, because the facts are there. If you research, everything is there. And to put it in perspective, because such great names as Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Shri Abdul Kalam Sahab have been associated with this event. I call it an event. It was not just an incident that happened. So to take that subject and to make an entertaining film at the same time is the biggest challenge for this kind of a film. Also, this is the first film in India which is talking about nuclear testing. It is a little scientific, so then to serve it in a way that anybody can and everybody can understand. That is another challenge. And thirdly, also, after all that, what is that the grain of the subject is not song and dance. And Bollywood is known for that. Audiences usually expect that. So to make it entertaining despite all that, that is the biggest challenge. So yeah, I mean, it was there, but I think ultimately with the whole team support, I think we have been able to make a film which has passed all those tests. But ultimate test is the audience.
sorry, being a producer, I must say we've got some fantastic songs in the film.
Yeah, but not the song and dance.
Song and dance, लेकिन background में तो है, the fantastic, really fantastic songs, really fantastic songs.
सर संदीप हियर फ्रॉम ANI. सर संदीप सर, एक सवाल आपसे है अभिषेक सर. सवाल ये है कि जब ये परमाणु हुआ, जब ये पोखरण का टेस्ट हुआ, उस समय तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी साथ ही डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम साहब का बहुत अहम रोल था. तो इस चीज़ को आपने अपने फिल्म में किस तरीके से उसको एक्सप्लोर किया, या कास्टिंग किस हिसाब से थी, कुछ बता पाए तो बहुत अच्छा.
So the casting is fictional. We didn't want to. There are many complications which arise if you take real names, real people. Also, there are limitations for writers to write. So we took the real plot. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee is there in a way in the film, the real Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I'm a biggest fan of Mr. Vajpayee. Even Kalam Sahab, Dr. Kalam, we have, it's in a way, it's a dedication to him, this film. And you'll see, when you see the film, you'll see these two people and even the scientists, we have done that. But when it comes to the main plot of the film, we have not used the real character names or real characters. We had to go with fiction. because there's certain liberties then you can take, otherwise you can't. But coming back to your question, yes, we have dedicated the film, and you will see them somewhere in the film.
सर जॉन आपसे एक सवाल है फोर्स 2 के बाद लगभग 2 साल लग गए आपको बॉलीवुड में ये फिल्म के साथ आने में क्या कहेंगे बहुत विवाद हुआ था इससे पहले भी वापसी से कैसी उम्मीद है आपको
Yeah, I think I like taking time. I wanted a good subject. तो Force 2 के बाद I think it was only परमाणु. अगर you know, if I just wanted out of insecurity, मैं 10 फिल्म साइन कर चुका होता, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to do one film and was very happy. Parmanu is my next film. So I don't have a problem waiting. It's absolutely okay.
ज़बरदस्त फिल्म है, प्रोमो बहुत पसंद आया. हाय जॉन.
मेरा सवाल जॉन सर से.
हेलो
सर. कोई नहीं. विल टेक योर क्वेश्चन. कोई नहीं.
हाँ जी.
उनको लगा खाली कॉम्प्लीमेंट में खत्म है.
हाँ नहीं, सवाल है आगे.
हाँ,
उस टाइम पर जो बीआरसी टीम जो हेड कर रहे थे अनिल काकोडकर जी, बहुत ज़बरदस्त रोल रहा है उनका परमाणु परीक्षण के दौरान पोखरण में. तो क्या उनका कोई कैरेक्टर किरदार फिल्म में नजर आएगा?
नहीं, like I said, sorry to interject, but this is my department, so I'm just taking it. नहीं, so basically we have for certain security reasons, national security reasons also, we can't tell you that who all we met. We have done our research in the best possible way, and we have given tributes to people. But there are certain things that we can't do in a film which is highly sensitive also in nature. So like you mentioned, not just Dr. Kakodkar, but you know, Dr. Chidambaram, Dr. Kalam. At that time, he was not the president of India. And all those scientists, we have somewhere given, you know, this film is dedicated to them. And you will see in the film that how, you know, yeah. But we have not used the real name. We have not done the real characterizations, because then it goes into the zone of a biopic. This is not a biopic. This is a real event film. So it's a different genre. Maybe it's a slightly new genre in India, but I think Airlift came close to that also. So yeah, you'll see. You know, your questions will be answered when you see.
No. All right, we'll take one last question, please.
John, you're straight again. No, I'm sure wearing the uniform would be quite a matter of pride and honor for you. What would you have to say about Akshay's decision, you know, to put the uniform that he had worn in the movie Rustam for auction and for which he has got a legal notice?
See, I'm not going to be politically correct, but I stand by him.
John here. John, what kind of research have you done in getting the intricacies of the uniform right that you're wearing on screen?
Oh yeah, so Colonel Sanjeev Sharma.
Yeah, no, Colonel Gopal Sharma. Brijmohan Sharma. Sorry, Brijmohan Sharma. Gopal Sharma is another one. There was some. Abhi sare, we have just spelled the names.
So he was second in charge.
I was telling you, I'll not give you the names. Colonel Brijmohan Sharma was officially on board for this film. He was involved with the real test. Now he's retired, of course. So he was there to make sure that the army camp and everything, from uniform to the behavior, was taken care of. So yeah.
So whether even if the beret was worn slightly wrongly, he wouldn't care कि ये actor है, ये वो है. He'd come in, hey, idhar aa, and just pull it, you know. So he was very clear that he wanted it to look right. That was the hero.
Once he was just getting out of his van and, he was standing up, he's going from the set to the van, and he just took out his shirt. I think he was going to the loo. And, Colonel Sharma just came, ye galat ho raha hai, Abhishek, ye galat ho raha hai. Why is he walking like this? I said, he's going to the van. Sir, he'll come back. He'll be in the... So he was very, very careful. He was extra
careful. His role is an amalgamation of a few people that's based on Vikas. तो इनके लिए विकास जी जो थे, जो यहाँ पे डायना के पीछे है, मतलब ये हमारे लिए यही है बस, बाकी कोई नहीं है. So he was very clear that he wanted, because for him army sacrosanct. तो जिस तरह से आप salute करते हो, you don't salute like this, you salute like this. Everything was to the T. You can't get anything wrong. You cannot disrespect the army, and we don't want to. So we got everything right.
All right, before we wrap up, just one last thing. I'd like to ask you something. Pooja Entertainment and Films, you know, Vashu Bhagnaji ji, उनका भी इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. We,
yeah, Vashu ji was very excited. He's in London, and he was very relieved and happy that this film's happening. He's distributing the film, and he's given us his best wishes. He couldn't be here, unfortunately. But it's great to have him on board, and he's a very aggressive distributor, very aggressive person who markets, and it's good to have someone like that on your side. So we're very happy to have Vashu ji on our side.
And this is like the coolest team ever, you know. We've seen SA और सब लोग साथ में आके they're talking about this movie, their dream project. So congratulations one more time.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have for you. Thank you so much. We'll have a couple.
Subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update.